South Korea is renowned for its modern agriculture and high-standard livestock farming processes. Jeju Island, one of the most beautiful regions of South Korea, is not only a famous tourist destination but also an ideal place for agriculture and livestock farming. With its mild climate, clean environment, and diverse terrain, Jeju has become a perfect location for poultry farming. Farms on Jeju Island are designed to maximize natural advantages while incorporating the latest farming technologies. Key factors such as breed quality, care conditions, feed, water, and the farming environment are strictly controlled. This ensures that eggs are of high quality, rich in nutrients, and safe for consumption. Jeju is well known for its harmonious blend of tradition and technology. Long-established family farms have now implemented automation technology to optimize production processes. Moreover, local authorities and scientific organizations support research and the application of biotechnology to enhance egg production and quality. Chicken farms on Jeju Island use advanced farming models to ensure optimal living conditions for poultry. Some notable features of this modern farming model include automated housing systems. Farms on the island are equipped with advanced poultry housing systems that automatically regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation. This helps maintain a stable living environment, reduces stress for chickens, and prevents diseases. Artificial intelligence (AI) applications. AI-based monitoring systems track the health status of chickens in real time. Sensors and cameras can detect abnormal signs such as illness, stress, or unusual behavior, allowing timely intervention. High-standard feed and water supply. Farms use organic feed free from harmful chemicals, ensuring natural growth for chickens. The automated clean water supply system maintains purity, preventing contamination and bacterial infections. Strict vaccination and quarantine programs to ensure biosecurity. Chickens are fully vaccinated and undergo rigorous quarantine procedures before entering the farms. This helps prevent the spread of diseases. At farms on Jeju Island, the egg harvesting and classification process is carried out following international standards. With the application of advanced technology, this process becomes efficient, time-saving, and ensures product quality. Below are the key steps in this process. Automated egg harvesting. Automated conveyor system. Eggs Once laid, roll onto a clean conveyor belt and are gently collected, preventing breakage or shell scratches. Sterile harvesting environment. The collection process takes place in a clean environment, free from dust, bacteria, and other contaminants. Production data recording. The automated system records data on the number of eggs, harvesting time, and batch status, enabling easy traceability. Egg classification according to international standards. Optical inspection. Eggs are passed through a light inspection system to detect cracks, deformities, or eggs that do not meet standards. Size and weight classification. Standard eggs are categorized into different groups based on weight and size. UV sterilization. After classification, eggs undergo UV sterilization to eliminate surface bacteria, ensuring food hygiene and safety. Why are Jeju eggs highly preferred? Jeju eggs are highly rated in the market for their superior quality. Below are some reasons why eggs from Jeju Island are favored by consumers. High nutritional value. The eggs have deep-colored yolks, rich in protein and essential micronutrients. Food safety. Eggs are produced in strictly controlled environments, free from preservatives or antibiotics. Natural flavor. Because the chickens are raised using organic methods, the eggs taste better compared to conventional industrial eggs. Eco-friendly production process. Farms employ sustainable production methods, minimizing negative environmental impacts. Chicken farms on Jeju Island represent one of the most advanced poultry farming models today, combining modern technology with sustainable farming methods. By adhering to strict standards in egg harvesting and classification, Jeju eggs not only meet domestic consumer demand but are also exported to many other countries. This helps reinforce South Korea's position in high-tech agriculture while providing safe and high-quality food for consumers worldwide.